Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to change music speed on Spotify. So you have to open the Spotify on the Android device or iOS. The solution is for both. So you have to see carefully. So I can open the Spotify and there is the music playlists. So I will play any music. So like this orange sky. So there is I can't see no longer to speed up music. So I can find to the slide and I can also find below. I can see where is the option of music speed up. So currently I really don't see to speed up this music, so I will also go to the of the so I will make sure there is no option longer to speed up music in Spotify. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified.